In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto replies on Gmail. If your Gmail has been automatically sending vacation messages and you're ready to switch that off, I'll walk you through it clearly and simply so you can get it done in under a minute. First, open your web browser and head to the Gmail website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll land on your inbox, and from here we'll go straight into the settings where auto replies live. Look to the top right corner of Gmail and click the gear icon. That opens the quick settings panel. In that panel, find and click the option labeled See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where all your Gmail preferences are organized. By default, you should be on the General tab. Stay on this tab and scroll down the page until you find the section called Vacation Responder. This is the feature that controls automatic replies. If your auto reply is currently active, you'll see options filled in, like the subject and message you set earlier, and the setting will show that it's on. To turn it off, select the radio button labeled Vacation Responder Off. This tells Gmail to stop sending automatic responses to incoming emails. It's a simple toggle, but it won't take effect until you save. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important if you navigate away without saving. Gmail will keep your previous setting and continue sending auto replies. After you click Save, Gmail updates your account immediately. That's it. Your Gmail account will now stop sending automatic replies to anyone who emails you. If you ever need to turn it back on in the future, you'll follow the same path back to the Vacation Responder section and switch it to on, but for now it's fully disabled. A couple of quick tips as you finish up: if you manage multiple accounts in your browser, make sure you're in the correct inbox before changing settings. Also, if you're using Gmail for work or school, the layout is usually the same, but if you don't see the Vacation Responder, it may be managed by your organization, so check with your administrator. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.